Gaeilge fasting inniu Táimid gach an Gaeilge F Brithra Amshalaitrach and Dara Ravenue. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to change these Dara Ravenue verbs into the present tense. So if it ends in AIL, for May, we drop the AI, so we keep the L, and then we add AI fada M. And then for to, she, we do the same thing. We drop the AI, keep the L, and add AI fada ONN. And if it's immer, which ends in I or, what we do is we drop the I, we keep the or, and then from A we add I fada M, and then for to, she, we add I fada ONN. Okay, so in Gaeilge, so we have Gaeilge and May, so and console agus and television. So if it's Gaeilge May, we look up what do we have to do. So we have to drop the AI, we keep the L, and because it's May, we add AI fada M. Okay, ever a dot with Oscar and far. So Oscar here. So we would drop the AI, keep the L, and because it's Oscar and far, we have to add the ending AI fada ONN. So Oscar and far and shopper gak magic. So the man opens the shop every morning. And then ever a 3. Immer and Shan. So because Immer and Shan, so we drop the I, keep the or, and then we add I fada ONN. So it's going to be Imrian Shan Clihi Rivera Gak Sar.